I was raised in Dalton. I moved here when I was 10 years old, and I've been practicing here for 32 years. My family and my wife in particular provide good motivation for me. I've just discovered over the years that I'm not a good loser. I am extremely competitive. We have experience, and we prepare your case for trial the minute you come through the door. And you do whatever you can to make sure that you win, not only for yourself, but for your client.
My parents sadly had accumulated a lot of debt, but Dad was still, working, and he's a truck driver. He was in for a trip and finally had a day off, and it was beautiful. And he decided to go on a motorcycle ride, and a distracted driver wasn't paying attention and hit my dad. So it killed him. So that left Mom with a lot of debt. We just really didn't even know where to start. I recommend Morrison Dean because they truly care. He always answered our emails, he always answered our calls. I wouldn't be surprised if he wasn't dialing our number as he was walking out of court. He just felt like he was always available to us, and that's very rare. It was such a blessing to have him, help us through that time.
Usually from right at the very beginning of the case, we try to find out what's important to the client. What is it that they're worrying about, and how can we make them feel better about that? If you've been injured and you're looking for an attorney, call the experienced trial lawyers at Morrison Dean.